Success isn't an accident. Success doesn't come by chance. It's not just about luck or talent. It's the product of consistent effort, smart choices, and powerful habits. Have you ever wondered what makes some students excel while others struggle? The answer lies not in extraordinary intelligence, but in their daily routines and the systems they've built for success. Successful students are intentional about their time, energy, and focus. They adopt habits that help them stay productive, maintain focus, and consistently improve. The good news? These habits aren't reserved for a select few. You too can incorporate them into your life to elevate your academics, productivity, and personal growth. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the daily habits of highly successful students and how you can start implementing them today. 1. Start your day early. One of the most defining habits of successful students is waking up early. The early morning hours offer peace and quiet, free from the distractions that dominate the rest of the day. Starting early is about taking control of your time and setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Imagine waking up at 5:30 a.m. The world is still and calm, and you have time to focus on yourself. You can use this time to meditate, exercise, review your goals, or simply enjoy a quiet breakfast. Successful students recognize that early mornings allow them to tackle essential tasks before the day's chaos begins. Not a morning person? That's okay. You don't need to start with a drastic change. Set your alarm 15 minutes earlier each day and adjust gradually. With time, your body will adapt, and you'll begin to enjoy the productivity and clarity early mornings bring. Plan and prioritize. Successful students don't stumble through their day. They plan it. They create a roadmap for their tasks and prioritize what's most important. This habit isn't just about being busy. It's about being productive and focused on what truly matters. Start each morning, or better yet, the night before, by making a list of tasks you want to accomplish. Identify your top priorities and break large goals into smaller, manageable steps. Tools like planners, Notion, or Google Calendar can help you stay organized and on track. Studies show that planning ahead significantly boosts productivity. By creating a clear outline of your day, you avoid procrastination and reduce the stress of last-minute deadlines. With consistent planning, you'll find it easier to stay focused and achieve your goals. 3. Build a consistent study routine. One of the most critical habits for academic success is maintaining a consistent study routine. Successful students don't rely on last-minute cramming. Instead, they dedicate regular time each day to studying, reviewing, and deepening their understanding of their subjects. Consistency builds momentum. For example, you might decide to set aside 2 hours every evening for focused study, taking short breaks in between. A great method is the 90-minute study session with a 10-minute break. This approach helps you maintain focus while preventing burnout. It's not about studying for endless hours. It's about studying smart. Regular, focused study sessions ensure that you retain information better and feel less overwhelmed during exams. Make studying a daily habit, like brushing your teeth, so it becomes second nature. 4. Use active learning. Successful students don't just passively absorb information, they actively engage with it. Active learning techniques like summarizing material in your own words, teaching it to someone else, or testing yourself help deepen your understanding and improve retention. For example, instead of simply reading a textbook, pause to write a summary of what you've learned. Use tools like flashcards for self-testing or explain concepts to a friend. These strategies force your brain to process information more deeply, improving long-term memory. Techniques like active recall and spaced repetition are especially effective. Reviewing material at regular intervals ensures that knowledge stays fresh, while active recall strengthens your ability to retrieve it. These methods are the cornerstone of efficient, effective learning. 5. Prioritize physical health. Physical health directly impacts mental clarity, energy, and focus. Successful students recognize this and prioritize habits like regular exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient sleep. You don't need an intense workout routine to benefit. Even 20 minutes of exercise, like a brisk walk, yoga, or a quick jog, can improve circulation, reduce stress, and enhance brain function. Pair this with a balanced diet rich in brain-boosting foods like leafy greens, berries, and nuts to fuel your body and mind. Sleep is equally important. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation, problem-solving, and overall cognitive performance. When your body and mind are well rested, you'll find it much easier to focus and excel in your studies. 6. Take breaks and rest. Contrary to popular belief, working non-stop doesn't lead to success. It leads to burnout. Successful students understand the importance of taking regular breaks to recharge and maintain productivity. The Pomodoro technique is a simple but effective method. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Use this downtime to stretch, grab a snack, or relax. Breaks aren't a waste of time. They help your brain process information and maintain focus over longer periods. By balancing work and rest, you'll stay energized and motivated throughout the day. 7. Stay organized. Organization is a hallmark of successful students. A cluttered workspace or chaotic schedule can lead to stress and wasted time. Keeping your materials and environment organized helps you stay efficient and focused. Start by decluttering your study space. Arrange your notebooks, textbooks, and digital files so they're easy to access. Use calendars or apps to track assignments, exams, and deadlines. By staying organized, you'll always feel prepared and in control. 8. Set goals to stay motivated. Motivation doesn't happen by accident. It's fueled by clear goals. Successful students set both short-term and long-term objectives that keep them inspired and focused. Break big goals into smaller, actionable steps. For instance, if you want to ace an exam, set weekly targets for topics to review. Celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated. Even when motivation dips, discipline and consistency keep successful students moving forward. 9. Seek help and collaborate. No one achieves success alone. Successful students actively seek help when needed and collaborate with peers to enhance their learning. Joining study groups or discussing topics with classmates can offer new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Teaching others is also one of the best ways to reinforce your knowledge. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification from teachers or peers. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. 10. Reflect and improve. The final habit of successful students is self-reflection. Regularly evaluate what's working and what's not. Are your study methods effective? Are there areas where you can improve? Reflection helps you learn from both successes and failures. Use this insight to refine your strategies and continue growing. Success isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and evolving. The habits of highly successful students aren't extraordinary. They're intentional, consistent, and achievable. By adopting even 1 or 2 of these habits, you'll set yourself on the path to academic success and personal growth. Remember, success isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Start small, focus on one habit at a time, and build from there. Each small step brings you closer to unlocking your full potential. Which habit will you focus on first? Let us know in the comments below.